In this video, I'll show you how to fix a common Roblox Studio problem where a union part won't change color, even when you try to set its brick color. First, go to Roblox Studio and insert a part. Make sure it's set to a block shape, then scale it up so it's easier to work with. Next, insert another part, but this time change its shape to cylinder. Resize and position it so it overlaps the cube. This cylinder will be used to cut into the block. Now, select both parts, click on the Union button in the Model tab. You'll see that Roblox Studio creates a union operation. At this point, try changing the brick color or color of the union. As you can see, nothing happens. This is a very common issue that confuses a lot of developers. To fix this, select the union operation. Open the Properties window. Scroll down until you find a property called UsePartColor. Set UsePartColor to true. Now, try changing the brick color again. And there you go, the color works perfectly.